Here I've got Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the phone dialer, go to keypad, and it's time to enter the first code, the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with both email numbers dedicated to your device and also with its serial number. Click on OK to go back, and now it's time for the second code, which is *#4636 ##. And now you're in testing mode prepared by Google, so here you can check phone information, where you will locate email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, and all the other truly useful information. You can also run a ping test here. Simply click on Run Ping Test, and that's it. As you can see, here it is. Let me go back. Then you can check information for the second SIM card, and also you can access Wi-Fi information, where you can locate Wi-Fi APA. And here you will find disable network, disconnect network, enable network, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. Then in Wi-Fi configuration, you will be able to locate all configured networks. And then in Wi-Fi status, simply refresh it, you will be able to check the status of your Wi-Fi, and also here you can run a ping test. So let's go back, and it's time for the third code, which is *#426 #*#. And here we are in diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status, and if you click on the more icon, you will be able to open advanced view with some more information. And let's go back. Now we will enter another code, which is *#225 ***. And now here you'll be able to locate all the events from your calendar, from your Google Calendar, all the celebrations, important data. So from now on you will not forget about any important event that was signed in your device. And finally, the last code, most useful I guess, and it's *#64663 ***. And now we are in testing mode, where you can check your device, where you can check all its features. So if you have any issues with your device, then you can check if it's application to blame or your device by using this mode. So for example, let's test receiver. So it passed the test, and then you can come along with all the other tests. So that would be all. This is how you can test your device, how you can access all the secret codes in your Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.